All right, this is worksheet 8.1 and we're doing 9 and 10 here. We have this equation and the first question is to rewrite the equation without fractions. If you want to get rid of all these fractions, first we need to decide what the common denominator is of all of these fractions. So the common denominator here is x squared. If we were to multiply everything in this equation by x squared, we should be able to get rid of all the fractions. So I'm going to multiply the right side of the equation by x squared and everything on the left side of the equation by x squared. So here we get 2x squared over 1 plus 4x squared over x, that would just be 4x, equals, these two cancel, so equals 48. Number 10 is asking us what are the solutions to this equation. In order to solve this equation, first we need to set the quadratic equal to 0 and then solve it. One thing we could do here is, since all of these are divisible by 2, I'm just going to divide the whole equation by 2. If I divide the left side by 2, I have to divide the right side by 2, but 0 divided by 2 is still 0. So we can either factor this or use quadratic formula. Let's just check first if it is factorable. So 1 times negative 24, positive 2. So we can use positive 6 and negative 4. So if we were to factor this, this would be x squared plus 6x minus 4x minus 24 equals 0. If we factor by grouping, that's x times x plus 6 minus 4 times x plus 6 equals 0. And that would give us x plus 6 times x minus 4 equals 0. So zero product property tells us that either x plus 6 equals 0 or x minus 4 equals 0. So our solutions are negative 6 and positive 4.